to you. MGMClassicCars.com in Addison, Illinois. And right now, today, I got this 72 Chevrolet Nova that just came in. And I call this one Snow White because it is white, white, white. And it's got this awesome Pro Touring look. And you know what? It's got some features for it to be Pro Touring, but we'll need a few more things as we progress in the video. So once again, 1972 Chevrolet Nova LS setup, fuel injected. Okay, it's got the 4L60 trans overdrive. Beautiful stance on this baby. As you can see, not too many Novas in the rear are slammed like that. It does take some customization. This one has 4-wheel power disc brake as well. Beautiful look to this car. You got your vent windows, your sport mirror. All the trim around the car has been painted black to give it this black-white look. Awesome setup. You got beautiful US mag wheels. Look at the power disc. Disc. Cross drilled all around. Nice vinyl top, no issues. Continuing throughout the car here, and then I'm going to get a little bit closer to the paint to show you guys a couple of blemishes. The car's not perfect. It's not priced, $50,000 plus either. But you want a Pro Touring. Yeah, look at this baby. From every angle, this thing looks killer. LED lights in the front. I got them set to red right now. All right, check this out. Right, this is where you open up the hood, right under the emblem. Bam! Oh! 5.3. It does have a nice cam in it with headers, power steering, power brake, 4-wheel power disc brake. Like I said, overdrive tranny. If you guys want to check out the trunk, go ahead and check out my photos. And that will tell you a little bit more about that and show you a little bit more. Also, to top this off, that the frame underneath, which is a subframe car on Novas, okay, it's been tied into a full frame to compensate the horsepower. And guess what was put in the rear end? Yes, a big badass 4 9-inch rear end and dual exhaust, which sounds amazing. All right, so getting a little bit closer into the car, just want to show you guys a couple touch-up areas, which one is here. Okay, hard to see from 5 feet away, but it's there. I want to point it out. On the bottom here, everything looks great all around. There's a little stress crack there. That can be touched up as well, but I will show you everything. Here's a little touch-up there on the fender. Everything else here looks great all around. And here's a touch-up here. Let me go this way. Maybe you can see it better. Okay. When you stand right here, you can't see it, but it's there. Okay. Let's check out the interior. It's got bucket seats, nice door panels and lips. Inner outer jams, tilt wheel, cool steering wheel. Dash has been touched up. It's got 2 blemishes on the dash. Headliner intact, package tray, back seat with seat belts. Door panels look good. And then you got the B&M shifter right there. This is a punch list that I did, and I'll go over with you guys. Yeah, I know you guys wanted to hear that. All right. So like I said, tilt wheel right there, okay? Car shows 40,499 miles. You know what? I don't think that's accurate. No radio in the car. Heat deletes. This car is only driven on nice, beautiful, sunny days, okay? It's made to drive. It's a blast. It's a lot of fun. There is your oil temp gauge right there, your oil pressure gauge and your temp gauge. Okay. Let's go for our drive. Let's mount this camera up. need delivery, call me, text me at 847-848-1850. If you need financing, your credit score between 650 and 700, you'll need about 10% down at one lender, and if you're over 700 to 800, possibly get you done with no money down at another lender. So I got about a half a dozen of those. So my number is 847-848-1850, and if you need anything from me, please let me know. Be sure you read my description before you send me any questions, because I want to make sure that you read that and watch and see all my photos that I posted on the car. Alright, so we're headed back to the shop now. If you guys need delivery, call me, text me at 847-848-1850. If you need financing, we can get you done. If you're a credit score of 650 to 700, we can get you done with about 10% down. If you are over 700, you have a chance where I can get you done without any money down at another lender. So we got a couple lenders that can assist. Please read my description. I'm going to go over my punch list with you guys and just let you know, after me driving and inspecting this car, what I think this car needs. And you can make a decision if you want those items fixed from my mechanic, or if you want to fix them on your own. Have a little fun in the garage over a weekend, but you can make that decision shortly. So I'm going to pull over here and we're going to go over this in a minute. So this thing does have a reverse lockout. To put the thing in drive straight ahead, and to put it in reverse, you got to push that red button down, and then it goes right into park. Okay, so once again, here we are, 1972 Chevy Nova. It does have an LS 5.3 cammed four-wheel power disc with a 4L60 trans. We went over the body and paint. Vinyl top's excellent. So here are the items that this car is going to need. Turn signals, wipers, horn, heat, fuel gauge, and the driver's side rear tail light is not working, and the speedo. So these are items that this car is going to need. I am selling it in as-is condition. If you wanted these items fixed by my mechanic, there is an extra charge to do so. But I'm being upfront with you guys and letting you know the price that I have listed is in as-is condition. And if you wanted the other items corrected, that would be an additional cost. I don't know what the additional cost is going to be, but if you wanted to text me and ask me, I can probably get you a quote for that. Honestly, probably $1,000 to get those things fixed, and that's just a rough estimate. So again, my name is Thomas at MGM Classic Cars. My number is 847-848-1850, and we do sell honest, classic, vintage muscle cars at great prices and being 100% transparent per my reviews. Thank you so much.